Did you know solar power can save you money and help the environment? A key part of making that happen is something called net metering. What is net metering? Net metering is like a two-way street for electricity. When your solar panels produce more power than your home needs, the extra energy goes back to the grid. In return, your utility company gives you credits for that energy. You only pay for the difference between what you use and what you produce. How does it work? During the day, your solar panels generate electricity to power your home. If they make extra energy, it's sent to the grid, and your net meter tracks it. At night or on cloudy days, when you need more power, you pull energy from the grid. The credits from your excess energy help reduce your bill. Benefits of net metering. Save on bills by earning credits for the energy you send to the grid. Reduce your carbon footprint by using clean, renewable energy. Ready to join the solar revolution? Learn more today.